Today is the 30th of December 2021. So, as I was saying, now we'll be talking about the various projects going on in the Mua Palace. So now we'll be talking about the Great Fonchang Royal Court and the Fonji Royal City Conclave, which I'll be showing you these various buildings in a minute. The Mukanda project. That wound my hand. The back angle, back side. So now, as we were saying, right before us is the Great Fonchang Royal Court and the Fonji Royal City Conclave, which I'll be showing you around this building, which you can see is round in shape. But first I'll be showing you also inside too, to see how it looks like inside. So you can see this is the building, round in shape, and right here this is the innermost part of it. Is the Great Fonchang Royal Court. As you can see, this is it. This is how it looks like inside. Sticks are still inside because they are still using the that's working up. As you can see, this is it. So now I'll be showing you the Fonji Royal City Conclave. So here is the Fonji Royal City Conclave. As you can see, this is it. This is how it looks like, which is the upper part of the building. This is how far I've gone with it. As you can see, this is it. It's also round in shape. This is the building. This is how the innermost part looks like. As you can see, this is it. Very nice. The entrance also has a veranda which you can go around. You can move around it freely. As you can see, the beauty of the Mua Palace. So that is that for the projects going on in the Mua Palace. As you can see.